Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be showing you how to manage, remove, add Chrome extensions and apps. So this is the Chrome Web Store, and what I'm going to want you to do is first sign in. Now you're going to find Chrome Web Store, so you're just going to go to Google search and just type in Chrome Web Store. That's all I want you to do. And then you're going to look around all the different extensions. You have Earth View, which is really cool. You have Page Ruler. You have many different types of things. You have Giphy for Chrome. You have some games all the way down here that you can just download and play. You have different eBay, everything like that. They're really cool. They're really helpful and useful. I actually have a few up here just for myself. And then how you're going to remove them or manage them is you're going to go to the top right to your extensions, anyone that you've added or you want to delete. You're going to right click one of them, doesn't matter which one, because they all show that bottom section, manage extensions. And what you're going to want to do is whichever one you press, just want to go to this arrow and just back it out. And here are all your Chrome apps and extensions. So after that, you just can you can turn them off, take them away, they're still going to be there, or you could just remove them entirely. And that is how you remove, manage, and add Google extensions and apps. Thank you, and have a nice day.